Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today with didn't know that was happening.
Tankmanjoe.
We're going to taste and review something that sounds like a hot mess, but it might be actually really good.
I don't think so.
This is from Trader Joe's. It's called Synergistically Seasoned Popcorn. This popcorn is boasting that it's tangy, salty, smoky, spicy, and slightly sweet in flavors. So there it is. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but you know, it might be actually pretty good. Before we get started, if you can, mash up those likes, like those thumbs up there, it really helps with traffic, getting traffic to this channel. We're up to over 555 subscribers. I know that in the world of YouTube, that's not a whole lot, but for me, that's fantastic for a little little project that we just cooked up. So we're happy. So all you subscribers out there, thank you, and hopefully we can get more content out there to you. Right now we're dealing with some tough times. There are riots, there is unrest in the streets, and you know what? When you shake a bottle of soda too long, it's going to explode. So on that note, let's get to it. So synergistically seasoned popcorn. What do you think, Tank? You think this is going to be delightful?
No. Do you see this? It says tangy, salty, smoky, and spicy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That doesn't sound good to me.
All right. I got some creative commentary, and so I will be using these reading glasses so I can see better. So I'm not doing the what does that say? So anyway,
it sounded exactly like you.
Wow. Aren't you a funny one? Okay. Serving size are 3 cups. So there are 5 servings in this, and 160 calories, 10 grams of fat, sodium pretty high here at 260 milligrams, 2 grains of protein, and so let's get to tasting. You ready?
Yeah.
I don't know what we're going to be tasting here. It does sound like a hot mess, but you know what? It might actually turn out to be pretty good. Oh, I don't think you're going to like this, because when you look inside, look at that, Tank.
Oh, what's wrong with it?
It looks like, whoops.
Oh.
It looks like cheese popcorn.
Oh, that's not it.
And Tank does not like cheese popcorn. So, but look, try it for the people.
I think I'm out. I think I'm good.
Go ahead, try some. So as you can, yeah, the smell is. Oh, the smell smells like.
It smells like those Fritos. You know, those barbecue ones. You got too much.
You what? I guess I'm committed to all of this. Tank, what did you say?
That's disgusting.
You could give it a college try. Come on, college try, one more. Okay, I'm gonna put a hyperlink up here did we try like the pickle flavored?
It was that chips thing with all those different chips, I think.
Oh yeah, there was some chips. Okay, all right, I'm gonna be really honest. I'm adventurous when it comes to eating things. I'm fairly adventurous. This one is not. And he's very much like, he sticks with what he likes and that's it. And sometimes if you want to get him to try something, you're going to have to do some you know, some ninja mind trick type of thing with him. But
Ninja?
okay, ninja, Jedi, I don't know.
You're going to
Ninja,
cast a
Jedi.
genjutsu to get me to eat something I don't want to eat?
I'm gonna do some Mr. Miyagi on you, you know, wipe on, wipe off. Anyway, if you get that reference, 80s, hello, 80s.
If you get that genjutsu reference, like this video.
Okay, I'm gonna give my review on this. Tastes like someone popped some popcorn and just threw in all kind of seasonings and just said, you know what? The heck with it.
To heck with it.
And hopefully someone will like this and consider themselves sophisticated. No, hun. No, hun. This isn't sophisticated. This tastes like a hot mess. I'm sorry. I give this a 1. I will even go lower and give it a 0. I will not buy this again. I want my money back. And actually, I think Trader Joe's, they will take your stuff back. But now that we're in the age of COVID, a lot of places aren't taking back food because, you know, they don't want your COVID germs all over it. But yeah, a 1. Man, buyer's regret. Seriously. Sorry, Trader Joe's, but golly. What's wrong with just regular popcorn? I'm sorry, I'm ranting. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Tank, tell us what you think.
It tastes like they got some popcorn, right? Didn't put anything on it, right? Nothing at all. Then they went to their seasoning cabinet, literally took all of it out, got every last bit of the seasoning in there, right? And they went outside, scooped up some dirt, put it on there.
Oh gosh, got
and
the dirt in
sprinkled
there.
it on some popcorn.
Holy crap.
It's
Holy
disgusting.
moly.
I give this a -1. So, when she came out of the store with these, right, and came back home, I saw these for the first time, right? I was like, what is this? Popcorn? What could this popcorn be? From the look of the image on here, which is the first thing I saw, I thought it would be like caramel popcorn, right? But no, it's this crap. I told her, oh, you should go return it, but then she was like, oh, it's for Tasty Fine. We should keep it. And I was like, oh, for a Tasty Fine? Alright, let's try it. I did not want these. This is all hers.
You see right here on the back. You see that? They're showing you exactly what we both said. Looked like they just took all the seasonings and they just dumped it. Well, I mean...
And there's the dirt. There's the dirt.
The dirt? Oh, wow. Okay. All right, so we both gave it, I gave it a 0 and you gave it a -1. So that's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys be safe out there. If you are protesting, right there behind you. And as far as all the stuff going on, turn off the media for a while. But don't stop watching YouTube because we're having it on fire out here.
Yeah.
All right, so until next time.